Welcome, and we are doing a Pilates ring, mostly for the booty and the core. I am wearing this Care Bear outfit. If you'd like to read a little bit more about it, it is over on the blog. The link is below. Grab a ring if you don't happen. I have one linked below. This is a pretty cool pink one. I've had it for some time. It's actually a little beat up. But let's go ahead and lay on your back. And let's start with the ring right above your chest. You can lift and lower your shoulder blades. You can lift and lower your shoulder blades. Those are the bones at the back of your body, where your arms connect into the back of your body. And then press all four corners of your feet down. And then start to melt your spine into the mat. Lift your tailbone and then articulate your spine up into a bridge. Make sure you keep weighting your pinky toes and your thumb toes. So you're keeping your weight equally distributed on 10 toes. You're articulating up one vertebra at a time and then down one vertebra at a time. Right, so my tailbone lifts, my lower vertebra, my middle vertebra, and then that's about it. We don't really go past the upper vertebra in Pilates. It'll just disengage your core right once you lift up past a certain point. Now notice I went back to my neutral and then back up, up, up. Now I'm gonna reach my arms back and then bring them on up. Reaching them back and then articulating them down. Pressing into all 10 toes. That's harder than it sounds. Keeping my knees right over my midfoot. Now, let's bring this circle right above the chest and let's start a march. Now let's keep the knees at a 90-degree bend. And notice I'm planting the foot down really gently. Now, I'm going to take one leg, reach it through, and I'm going to pulse up, 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 up. Now squeeze that circle, squeeze, squeeze. Now do both at the same time, both, both, both. Let's go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to lower and just give that a stretch. And I'm going to go right back to the other side. Right, pulse up, 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 up. Now squeeze, 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 squeeze. Now both. And keep squeezing for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to lower. Give that a big stretch. Now, I'm going to sit on up. I'm going to draw my abs in super tight. And I'm going to roll back and then roll up. I'm going to roll back. And I'm just going about halfway back. And then I'm going to start to twist. And twist. Exhaling. Exhaling. I'm keeping my hips and my feet planted. Now I'm going to go same leg, lifting. Squeezing my knees together. Now, can you go opposite leg? Opposite leg. Now, can you go both? Both. Both. Let's go 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach forward. I'm going to take a big stretch. Now I'm gonna come back into that kneeling, that half roll position, and I'm gonna roll back, and I'm gonna reach my arms up, and I'm gonna take my arms overhead, and I'm gonna try that alternating leg extension, and then maybe both legs for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'm going to take one more stretch. From here, I'm going to grab the circle, and I'm going to come onto my knees, and I'm going to place the circle underneath my hand, and I am going to reach the other hand up, and I'm going to press into that hand and release. Press, release. Now I'm going to press into that hand and raise the leg up. Press and release. Press and release. Press, release. Exhaling and inhaling. Now I'm going to hold it. I'm going to pull the knee in and reach. In and reach. In and reach. And I'm trying to stabilize the rest of my body. Let's go 8 more. Breathing in and out. Drawing the rest of my torso in as still as I can. Pretend you're wearing an invisible corset. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to hold and pulse it up, 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 up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to place the circle underneath my belly. I'm going to place my hands underneath my shoulders, and we're going to use the circle, right? You're going to bring the handle underneath your bottom ribs and use it for a push-up. It's going to make your push-ups much easier. Trust me, you have to just find that right spot for it. Once you do, it will make your push-ups much easier. And let's try alternating the legs. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to bring my knees in. Let's go for that on the other side. Coming into that tripod, that side kneeling position, pressing, releasing, arms up. And so you saw you can modify with that hand down. Lifting my heart, exhaling and inhaling. So I grew up in the 80s, and I don't think it was really the Care Bears. I don't think I was given a Care Bear. I don't really think I was told to have feelings. Comment below. That was you. Were you given a bear? Were you given a stuffed animal? Were you given a book instead of actually being taught how to have feelings, or were you given some sort of inanimate object? Please comment below if you're Gen X and this was you as well. Now let's go ahead and try to lift the leg as we press on the circle. Right? Oh, you don't know what Gen X is? You don't need to. I press and lift. Press and lift. Exhaling. Right, and push it. And I'm really trying to keep that shoulder blade in my back body. Let's go 5, 4, 3, 2. Now hold it, bend and reach. Bend and reach. Definitely a little harder on this side for me. Inhaling and exhaling. Struggling to keep that foot up at hip height, but I'm trying. And 4. Pushing into the circle as much as I can for support. 2 more. 1 more. And now, I'm going to reach that circle overhead and over and up, side bends. And over. And over. And 3, 2, 1. Now, from here, the leg that I just had extended, I'm going to put under or on top of the circle. I'm going to reach my hand back, And I'm gonna open my chest. Reverse planks are never an easy one for me, but I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna press and reach, press and reach, press and reach, press and reach. 4, 3, 2. Now I'm gonna come on my toes on my other leg in little pulses. Pulse, pulse, pulse. 4, 3, 2. Now you can try to bend your elbows. Ooh, that's hard. 8 of them. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm gonna just switch sides. So I'm gonna come here, press that circle down, and I'm gonna use my hands to fix that. I'm gonna lift my chest up, press, reach, and I'm gonna try to look up and really open. Breathe, press, drawing my belly in. Now I'm gonna lift up onto my toes on my bottom leg, and then I'm gonna pulse, and then I'm gonna do some reverse push-ups. Oh man, those are hard. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, I'm going to extend out that leg and try the side bends on this side, right? So reach, reach. Breathing in and out. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm going to reach this behind me. And I'm going to bring this kind of towards my bum. And I'm going to lift up. I'm going to do a little swimming. Really opening my chest. And I'm going to try to squeeze that circle and hold for 4, 3, 2. Now I'm going to bring the circle in front and really lift up. And then lower. I'll do a few more like that. Press. Just a little extension. And from here, I'm going to bend one leg, stretching that quad. And then try that on the other side. You can always use the circle if that's not enough. Use the circle to grab the foot. And then I'm going to take the other foot, reach it forward. I'm going to take a hold of the circle, and I'm going to go into these deep lunges with a tricep press and take it down, up, down, up. For 4, 3, 2. Now I'm going to swap out the legs and take it down, up, down, up. 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, I'm going to take it down. Reach back into a big stretch. Try that on the other side. And that is it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this super quick magic circle, lower body and core care workout. Check out the blog for a review of the quotes, and I will see you on the foot.